All right, guys, here we go. We're going to cover the micro gold futures chart and the micro silver futures chart, and maybe even go back over the futures oil chart for you. But in this video, mainly wanted to hit home with there's a lot of people out there, alleged traders, whatever, influencers that say you cannot catch the top, you can't catch the bottom of any asset, whether it's a stock, crypto, gold, silver, oil, or whatever. And best you can do is follow the charts in order to catch kind of the meat of the move. In other words, kind of the middle. Well, I don't know. Maybe they never taken our course, but you can look at our our previous timestamps don't lie on our Twitter feed, and that's all we do. That's what our specialization is catching the tops, catching the bottoms, and working it from the long side, the short side, so on and so forth. But let's go break this thing down, the 4 hour chart. Now, some of this information and how we came up with this is part of our methodology that we teach our Patreon members. And so I can't, tell you everything because they're paying for it. But as you can see, well, we didn't catch it to the penny, but we got, close enough, for government work getting in at the top when gold peaked out. And one of the things I will give you here, since you're taking the time to watch the video, and I appreciate it, is that once an asset, no matter if it's stocks, crypto, oil, gas, you know, gold, silver, whatever, once it makes a near term, like right here, this 4 hour candle, a near term top, 70% of the time it pulls back. So odds and probability, that's all we work with. And then silver, same thing. As you can see, we came up here, pulled back into the 20, lift it back up, and 70% of the time, what happens? Yeah, you pull back. And then here is our oil futures. Again, it gapped up. We caught this for a short, then went long for a little bit. Anyway, came back. Same thing. New recent high. Not saying all time high, I'm saying a recent high. 70% of the time it pulls back until it finds support. Okay, and we teach you what to look for to see confirmation for that support, and then continue on to the long side. But guys, appreciate your time watching the video. And check out our 50% off micro futures introduction course below, or our Patreon, or give us a follow on Twitter to prove that timestamps don't lie. And we will see you on the charts.